Okay, for our day 8 task, this is network reach out. So here's the instruction. If you have old contacts such as friends, your colleagues or business owners' friends and contacts, send this message to at least 5 contacts a day for 30 days. So here's the script. Hey, do you know someone so insert here your target market. And then you see I'm taking my business in a new direction and I'm planning to, so you have to insert your offer here, and was wondering if you know someone who could use my help. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to copy this one. Okay, you know someone so I'm going to insert my marketing agencies. Okay, so example, that's my target market. You see, I'm taking my business in a new direction. I'm planning to, insert your offer to have digital marketing agency to simplify their financials using QuickBooks Online. And was wondering if you know someone who could use my help. Okay. So I'm going to send this one to one of my friends inside LinkedIn. Okay, so I have to copy this one. Okay. So send this message. Okay. Place the name here. Hey, Verena, do you know someone in the digital marketing agency? You see, I'm taking my business in a direction. I'm planning to help a digital marketing agency simplify their financials using QuickBooks Online. And I was wondering if you know someone who could use my help. Okay. That's it. It's very simple. Okay. Then click send. So you do send this script to at least 5 contacts in a day. Okay, so that's very easy. Sending network reach out script. It says here, old contacts, may it be your friends, your colleagues, or even the past contacts inside Facebook or LinkedIn. At least 5 contacts in a day. Okay, that's it. Very simple. Thank you.